Hi there, students. Miffed as an adjective, a miff as a noun, and to miff as a verb. So, to be miffed, to be annoyed. I was a bit miffed when he didn't say thank you. Yeah? I was a bit miffed about how she behaved. Yeah, I was getting rather miffed because a month later they still hadn't paid me. So miffed, annoyed, irritated, peeved. Notice this word miffed, or to miff. This is informal. Let's see, you can also use this word a miff, talking about a small argument, a quarrel. So, or to be offended. So she was in a bit of a miff about what I had said to her. And then to miff, to offend slightly, or to become slightly offended. So I think what I said miffed them quite a lot. Yeah, they were rather miffed by what I had said. Okay, so a miff, yeah, a bad mood, or a petty quarrel, or offended, upset. I think the phrase I was a bit miffed about this. This is very common, but notice it's a rather informal phrase. Yeah, he was in a miff. He was in a huff. He was annoyed. He was vexed. He was irritated. He went off in high dudgeon. Yeah, I could clearly see he was piqued. He was in a pique by what I had said. I had ruffled his feathers, and he took umbrage. Yeah, he was affronted. Yeah, he was offended. He was piqued by it. Okay. So, what are you miffed about? Tell me. I'm a bit miffed about the way the politicians are dealing with this COVID outbreak. Maybe I'm a bit more than miffed. Notice if you're miffed, it's only slightly. Yeah, you're not seriously offended. Yeah, I'm pretty miffed about it. Yeah, that probably makes it a bit stronger. Okay, so to miff, to take offence or to offend. A miff, a petty quarrel. Yeah, a trivial quarrel, a fit of the sulks. Yeah, a tiff or a miff. That's quite good. Don't be miffed, but the food could have been better. Yeah, so to miff, to give minor offence to take minor offence from. I was a bit miffed by the report that appeared in the newspaper. Yeah, I was pretty miffed to discover things all over the floor when I came home. Yeah, my kids have been playing with them. Wow. Yeah, I was a bit miffed that he didn't do what he said. He didn't come and help me when he'd promised to. Yeah. Yeah, that, well, if people are miffed with you, then yeah, I was a bit miffed at having to wait for him for half an hour. Yeah, I was a bit miffed by the service in the restaurant. Yeah, I really was very miffed by it. Yeah, well, he's gone off in a bit of a miff. So, formality. This is an informal word. I would say 3.75 informality. Use this in an informal conversation. I don't think I would use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think, yeah, I was angry, I was upset about it, something like that would be more suitable. And then as to origin, well, there's a German word, muffane, meaning to grouse or to grumble. Yeah, or a Dutch word, moppen, to growl or to grouse. So maybe it's related to this word mope or mop, to grimace. Grimace. Yeah, a grimace is an unpleasant scowl on your face, for example. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you don't, I won't be miffed, it doesn't matter. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Miffed, Miff.